Hello, welcome everybody. Today we are starting our new course, basically that is AI for everyone. So basically this course is for those who basically are majorly from non-technical background and are looking to do a shift in technical background without any coding experience or any tech experience, and like they fear like using AI, like they think that AI requires some technical knowledge now. Like there are some automation tools which require some technical background. There is no need of that. That's why we made this course to you can say we want to teach you the basic steps of AI so that you can easily come into this domain. And so let's begin. Today is our basically day 0. On this day basically we'll be discussing our full course curriculum, like what will be in this course. And before that, let me show you my community first. Just a second. This is our WhatsApp community. I will provide this community's link in the description. I request you all to join this community, as in this community I have groups such as live session for AI for everyone course. In this group basically we post every day, for not every day, Monday, Wednesday and Friday we take live sessions of this course. Like this is not a live recording you are listening, but we do take live sessions of the same course on these days, which is absolutely free. Just you have to join the course and join the meeting link. We start our course, let me show you the message also. Like this is the live session guidelines. First of all, you have to join with your full name. Second one is all sessions will be hand on simple Google Meet. Then the timings of the sessions are basically simple, that is 8 p.m. We suggest you to join at 7:50 p.m. basically like before 10 minutes before the meeting. And the meeting link will be provided half an hour before the actual class. Then we have recordings. Recordings will be in the form of YouTube videos only. The live sessions recording will be not available, but this YouTube videos will be available on the same topic which I am teaching on the live sessions. You will get the same topic related videos on my YouTube channel, that is Use the AI. After that we have this is live session group. In this you cannot do messages, normal messages, as this is only for admin usage. Like here we post daily class links, basically Monday, Wednesday, Friday class links and the recording links. All those things we upload here. After that we have one group, that is Doubt Corner. You all should join this. You have any kind of doubt in AI, you can post it here. Our community members will respond you with the solution. And then we have student showcases. In this basically student post their you can say projects, what they made using AI, what they found new in AI. They post all these things here. Then we have announcement here. All the announcement regarding the AI or the classes or the our videos are uploaded here. So you can join this community and be a part of our community. Simple. So let's get back to AI for everyone. So today's agenda is basically to tell you what I will teach you in this course. So let's begin. So first of all, there is no technical background needed for this course. Then what will you achieve by doing this course? So first is AI fluency. As I told you, many are feared that I am from a non-technical, I am feared to get into a technical background, but I don't have an experience in technical. So I will basically make you fluent in that, you can say transfer from your non-tech to tech. Or if you are a school student or you are a college student who is basically learning or in a learning phase, they can also use this course as their you can say as their ladder for basically upliftment course basically. In this course basically, after you finish this course, I will also provide a certificate also to those who basically complete this course fully. Then we have understand basically 10x productivity. This course will 10x your productivity as AI tools basically do tasks very faster than human used to do before AI coming. Then we have critical thinking. It will improve your critical thinking, like spot AI errors, protect your data, and use AI responsibility. Then is the career edge, like future proof your skills and stand out in the AI era. After that, we have the modules, the main modules which I will be teaching in this course. First one is the what is AI. Like in this module, I will be briefing you about the AI history, like the Turing test to transformers, like how the AI evolved. There is a very big domain known as AI. Then there is a subdomain that is machine learning. Then there is a very subdomain that is generative AI. So these all things I will teach you in this module, that is what is AI. So what we will cover is a brief history of AI, how AI thinks, then AI landscape, then AI myths versus reality. So all these things will be taught in module 1. So after that we have the second module, that is the art of prompting. Like this module is basically based on prompt engineering. We will master prompt engineering is this module. So here basically we have why your prompt is everything. You often occur like a problem that your AI application is hallucinating or giving some false informations, or basically it is not giving the right answer what you are thinking or the right format, because you are writing the wrong format, wrong input basically. So the output will also result in the wrong format only. So all these things, like you have to mention in the input prompt only, like I want like suppose we take an example, I give a context to the AI, like there is a situation, suppose I have to write an email, okay, but I just told write an email to my manager. I didn't told the word limit, I didn't told the I didn't tell the application like what is the word limit. I didn't specify the, you can say, the tone, like it will be professional, nothing I have specified. I have totally dependent on AI, which causes AI to creatively think, and the creativity turns in the hallucination. So it basically will assume some things, like you have not provided the examples also, then it will assume things, and can create basically wrong information or misinformations, which can basically be a big problem for you, and you will again and again refine it. So you can do task in that way also, but it will take too much longer time. Then what is the use of AI? So the right way to talk to AI is the right way to write your structured prompt. So what we will cover in this basically is the craft framework, that is context, role, action, format, tone. Then we will have iterative prompting. Then we will have advanced techniques such as few shot prompting, one shot prompting, chain of thought reasoning. And then at last we will basically build our own personal prompt library. After this basically we have a module that is for productivity, that is AI for work. We have in this sections, in this section we have writing partner, like draft emails, reports and proposals. Then smarter research, basically summarize document, PDFs and web content instantly. Data made simple, analyze spreadsheet without any coding. Then planning and decisions, AI as a thought partner for strategy and problem solving. Communication, translate, reformat and adapt tone in seconds. Then we have role-based deep dive, custom track for marketers, managers, educators, HR and finance. So basically, I give you an example. If you are basically using Google Sheets or any Google apps, then you will see Gemini already integrated in that. So if you have an Excel sheet or a sheets basically Google Sheets. So you can directly type in the Gemini that analyze this data and like filter out the data I want. Like you can say your requirements without basically analyzing manually. So these things I will tell you where in which applications these things are basically integrated now. So basically I will show you like the hidden things, or the basically the hidden things where people have not yet reached there. So after that we have AI for creativity. So this is the amazing module, that is AI image generation models. We will see like what kind of models now which are free or which are paid. We will see both. What is the difference between the free and the paid versions? We will see both of them. AI image generation, like create professional visuals with Midjourney, DALL-E and ideogram using well-crafted image prompts. Then AI powered presentations. For presentation there are lots of applications like Gamma. Then the Claude itself now generates a PowerPoint presentation. Then we have voice and audio AI. Basically voice, you can say basically 11 labs is there. You can generate any kind of voice, any kind of tone. You can basically clone your own voice. Then we have AI video creation. It is basically you can use here video models, text to video models, image to video models like VO. Sora was there, but I think there was a news that Sora is getting closed. Then we have VO, then we have Kaling, then we have Van, then we have Cdance. There are various models for videos generation. So all these models, all these platforms we will be discovering in this module. After that we have AI automations. So AI automation, so this is a very amazing part of this course. Here basically we will be seeing Zapier, N8N, Make.com type of no code low code platforms. These platforms are used to make automations. Like you can say automation means here, like you have seen like an AI agent which automatically posts around all your social media accounts. So these are the some examples of automations. Like these are done with the help of these automation tools. So we have N8N for this. I have a whole course on Udemy for this, with the name of N8N Automation Mastery. You can search that on our site also, UseTheAI.com. So in this module we will basically be seeing AI automation tools, no code low code tools. After that we will discuss some ethics and safety, like AI can hallucinate, bias, misinformation. On each AI application you have seen that AI can make mistakes. Please don't fully believe on the response. You have already seen on every whether you are using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you will see this message at the last where you type the input. See below that there is simply written a message, AI can make mistakes, please read it. So this is AI hallucination, bias and misinformation. Then that is data privacy and security. You should never basically in this section we will be learning like what data we should share with the AI and what data we should not share with the AI. Like we should not share the bank details of our account, Aadhaar card, PAN card or any ID proofs with the AI. These are very prone to leak, as these AI models are usually trained and subsequently collecting data, as these information are stored there. So you should not share all these your private documents there. Then we have AI ethics, copyright and bigger picture. Like if you are basically making a project and you using some AI tools in that project, like you have generated an image with the help of AI, you should give credit to the AI also. Like you should in the bibliograph, in the credit section, you should mention like some parts of the project are made using the AI. So this is a good practice, you should always use that, and it will be recommended also. Then we have Capstone. This is the last module. Basically we will map your AI stack, like compare ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, build your go-to toolkit. basically will analyze which tools are better for me. So then after that we have design your AI enhanced daily routine, like morning briefings, auto summaries, batch tasks, habits that actually stick. So these we can do with AI automations. Then we have final project. We will present 3 workflows you have built, your prompt library and your personal AI work policy. So these things we will be doing as the final project section after completing all the 6 modules. So this is all for today. That is uh, all for today, and in the next module we will be starting with module 1, which is basically what module 1 was, what is AI. Okay, I also forgot. That is what is AI. Like in that module I will be briefing you about the history of AI, and then how the AI evolved, all these things. As this section is important because some are saying that this is a theoretical section, we should skip. I know that this is a theoretical section, but we should always know some history before learning a new skill. Like whenever you play some sport, like we take example of cricket only, we should know the history of cricket, like where it came from, how it came from, in which cities it was first played. Like you always inquire about the short name, everything we should know. So this is how a skill is being learned, or how a person gets deep diver in, basically deep dive into the particular skill. And at last I have written a phrase, basically AI is not replacing people, people who use AI are. So simply, like, you will not get replaced by AI, but you will get replaced by people who know how to use AI. And this is the ultimate truth. Till now, then we have make sure you are one of them, basically. So this is all for today, and be make sure that you join our community. There I post everything about our live classes. And like if you want to, I have like done a live session yesterday only of this, where I basically had some students with me in the live session, and they basically asked me one-on-one the live questions. I have taken their live questions and they asked me one-on-one, and I solved their questions simultaneously only. So this is all for today, and thank you, and we'll meet in the next, that is module 1, what is AI. Thank you.